Box opening here of the TCL Roku. This is the 1080p. This is not 4K. This is just a $150 TV, I guess, 40-inch for a little dance room here. So I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it. We won't be watching this regularly. This would just be used for like aerobics, exercise video stuff, YouTube stuff. So let's open this up. Box is open. Got the feet. Got the instructions. Okay, got the 2 feet, screws for the feet, instruction manual, extend your warranty, remote, and batteries. Okay, TV out of the box. Got your basic inputs here, a USB, reset and a reset button, HDMI, 2 HDMI ports, and a third, which is also an ARC for audio. And you do have cable and antenna, so it has a tuner, has an AV and adapter, has the headphone plug, and also optical for audio. The other side, just have a plug. This is the 40S350R. It's got the plate here. Oh, this is the 4 small size. We are mounting this to the wall over there. Installed this just the other day. So this is ready to go. I always do network cable and cable just in case. Have power there. This is where we're gonna put it, right here in the center. And make sure this plate fits. Since I'm mounting on the wall, I always just take the screws and put them in here so I don't lose them later. Got the mount on there, perfectly level. It's got a nice little cover. There we go. And this is upright, and on these you can adjust back and forth and side to side with those screws. So this is a one-man job for this light of a TV. Just gonna grab this TV. I've got the plate on the back. Get this now, well, it's easy. Just have it prepped. Okay, that'll come off real easy. It's on the sides as well. And then there's a big sheet of plastic on the front that we'll take off in a second, but I'm gonna get those started while I can see them. Nice and clean on the wall. Take the plastic off. Got these little cable organizer too. You can throw this on here. Just go on here, on the other one. So nice and slick up there. I can push this back now. Push the whole TV back against the wall, and this arm is adjustable. Just like the other one, we did a 50-inch review. There we go. Now I just take the plastic off. And then last but not least, they do give you a tab over here to pull the corner off. This is a nice protective cover for the entire screen. You're gonna wanna make sure to go slow on the corner so that it doesn't leave any plastic stuck in there. Probably should have done this with it off. Probably will create more static than is necessary. Even a little bit. There you go. Nice, beautiful screen. Now I just take these legs, take the plastic off, and I zip tie them to the back. Zip tie together, and I just stick them back there so I have them for later. Got the remote now. Quick software update. create an account, or log in with your Roku account if you already have one. Since this TV is going to be used in the exercise room, let's do exercise dance. Okay, let's try this little Zumba class. Okay, quality of the TV looks good. This is a funny one, like kind of old school. Let's try another one. 30-minute dance cardio. Picture looks good. Remember, this is 1080p. If you're used to 4K, you might notice a difference, but for what we're doing, high quality picture looks great. Looks fantastic. Color's fine. This is default out of the box. Looks great. Perspective, the size of the TV, that's a 40-inch in our room with a ping pong table. Perfect size for this room, I think. Little Taylor Swift dance workout. Okay, this is going to do the job in here. 2-mile workout. Okay, the TV looks great, guys. That's the 40-inch TCL Roku, and that is it was like $150 or less. Unbelievable price. Over and out. Don't punch each other in the face.